Alright guys, I'm determined. So I downloaded this app called Pickit, Random Comment Picker for YouTube. I'm going to see if it works. Whoops. I wanted to be festive, guys. I can't get my hat to do right. Alright. So as you can see, I was very determined. I found this new app. I just went ahead and downloaded it. As long as you're connected to the internet, and it picks an instant winner. And you can pick up to multiple winners, which is really cool. So, yeah. So, let's go see who won. Hello, my Christmas in July. Well, you're not the fairies. You're the contestants. Christmas in July contestants. I'm having a bit of technical issues. I found a new program. Let me go back. I found a new program. I downloaded it to my... Do you want to exit the app? Yes. I downloaded it to my tablet so that way it make it a lot easier for me to do the random comment picker. It's called a Pickit. Let's see if I can pull it up. Yeah, P-I-K-K-I-T. You download the app and you use the app to do the random comment picker. I told you I was determined. I tried, like I said, for 3 hours to get the regular YouTube comment picker to work. I don't know if it was overload or if it was because it was another one of the Christmas in July Fairy 21s. I don't know what it was. But this one works. So let's go see who won. Alright, let's see how good this app is. So I've got the URL in, pulled up 529 unique comments found, click random, and then it's going to select somebody. It's going to select somebody. Okay. Oh, never mind. The random is that it's going to select somebody, and down here I have to click on this. This thing will pull up whatever comment is on who's going to win. So let's see who it is. The winner is Grandma Devour. Or is that Devour? Well, that was quick. Her comment was, this year for Christmas, I want a cash card so I can shop anywhere I want. Good luck and God bless. Alright, well, congratulations. You are our semifinalist. Please email me at young40mom@gmail.com, and we will email me your address because I would like to send you. I have to give your address to Dana Wonderlust Crochet because you will go into the main drawing that they're going to have on the 25th. I need to hear from you by the 20th. Yeah, so you got 4 days. So hopefully you'll get in touch with me. And I know everybody's being swamped and bombarded with all these videos and all the winners. So congratulations and good luck in the main drawing. Be sure and watch my videos coming up this weekend on the new giveaways that I'm having for this month. Thank you guys.